y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're out where the sweet potatoes are. Can y'all believe these sweet potatoes started off just as those little twigs that we shared with y'all when we planted them? Now look at them. They're beautiful. They're dark green. They're growing. They're hanging over the barrels. Some of them you can't even see the barrels now. But we're going to treat them today for potato bugs, our white potatoes and the sweet potatoes. And I'm also going to be using the same spray for hornworms. I have found a few hornworms on my tomato plants. So we're going to use it on those also. And I'll show y'all what a hornworm looks like and a potato bug. So y'all come on and we're going to take care of these potatoes that Travis, he worked so hard on to get these potatoes ready in the barrels in the dirt. We're going to zap these bugs before they get started. So let's get ready. I came out here to put something in the camper and was checking my tomato plants, and look what I have. 2 of them. Chickens are fixing to be some happy chickens. These are the signs that you see when your tomato plants are being attacked by hornworms. You will see where your leaves are all of a sudden disappearing. And then the next sign I seen, you can see how green that is because they're eating your tomatoes. Now we got to get them off of there. If I can get my phone to stand up. And if you don't like, if you're scared to touch them, get you a pair of scissors or... Ah, look at him. He's so ugly. 2 of them in the same morning. And look what he's already done to that tomato plant. I don't see any more on it, but we're going to check it real good. First, we're going to take these to the chickens. Did you see them? Get them, girls! In today's video, we're going to be using a mix to try to get rid of these hornworms before they destroy my tomato plants. And we're also going to use it on our potatoes and cucumbers. 1 gallon of water mixed with 3 ounces of this stuff that Travis got me. We're going to see if we can tackle these little varmints right here. And the potato bugs also. I shuck it up already real good. .3 ounces. Now let's go see if we can get them. A hornworm can strip a tomato plant in one afternoon. It don't take them no time to eat all your leaves off of your tomato plants. And they'll also eat the tomatoes too. They'll start off on the side and you'll notice a hole, and it'll get bigger and bigger as they eat the tomato. Yesterday, just on this little wild cherry plant that came up on its own from last year, had 3 hornworms on it that I picked off. You can see back here where they're eating the plant already so bad. So we're gonna give this stuff a shot. And you can tell right here where something is eating my pepper plant up too already. So we're gonna spray them good. And hopefully they don't like this stuff. They've seen me. And now I'm going to spray our sweet potato plants. Look how pretty these sweet potatoes are turning out. They started out as little bitty tiny sprigs, and now they're hanging over the barrels. We've been seeing a few potato bugs, so we're going to use this on them also. He don't like that stuff too good. He jumped off. This morning while we're out spraying our sweet potato plants, we had a visitor, a peacock. And now we're going to spray our russet potatoes too. These are white potatoes, and we've been seeing a few potato bugs on them also, so they're going to get it too.